part 2 of our nature walk. Hello shooters, this is part 2 of, well this is his part 1. Well, this is just his video, Trouble Gloves. I made a part 2 because I accidentally, stupidly, pressed the stop button. Yeah.
Download channel 3. Is that outhouse?
Oh yeah, our outhouse.
Stop, you get your face on my camp.
Look at all the parkour we have to do, guys.
Stop getting ahead of me, because I can't preserve any of this.
Look. That's where the water flows, guys. Let's go down.
I'm going to go to the bathroom.
Wow. You can vlog your pee, and I'm going to vlog the tree.
Look at an outhouse.
I know. Look at that house we built. Our barrels, we didn't build any of this. We came down here and found it. I did, because I'm an expert finder. The creek, that flowing water. Keeps flowing. I'm not sure if y'all can see it or not, but it's there, trust me.
I said don't come over here. We're going to go to the bathroom.
Oh. You're showing them off. Oh, that's where I got lost. Over there, too. So.
Okay, let's walk.
You gotta pee on your vlog. Alright, guys, we're gonna leave. So you can see your pee. So, yeah. Part 2 of a nature walk. Pretty nice. It's hot. On October, really? It's hot? What's up? Okay. Hey! Don't come over here. It's gonna... What? The negative.
Why?
Because they don't want us going this far without them. Shh! They don't need to know that.
What?
We're only supposed to go up to right there.
Are we past that?
They don't need to know that.
Okay, so you get ahead of me. And I show your face, and you won't just back me up. I'm blaming on you.
You've been ahead of me.
Exactly, and I'm not getting your face.
No, I'm not getting your face.
Wait, are you not doing your face view anymore?
No, I'm not allowed.
The whole time I thought you were on face view.
No.
Alright, then you stay beside me. So don't hit me.
How long have you
I got a Samsung. I don't know what he has. What kind of tablet do you have?
Survivor.
Let me just move this bench out of our way. Nice.
I know, this breeze feels so good. Y'all want to take a look down here? Y'all have a nice look at that. Be careful, don't fall.
I'm falling! Oh no. I think we did fall.
Fall into that tree, that tree, that tree, that tree, that tree, that tree.
We're not playing like pinball.
No. Well, if you fall right here, you fall into that ditch. It hurt. Let's say, let's get going.
Good job.
See that? Yeah, check out part 1 of this nature walk.
I haven't even ended my nature walk yet.
This is actually kind of my 3rd vlog, sort of. I did a road trip. I'm on the road. walking. We're on the road. Dude, this is actually very relaxing. It's a lot easier. Ow.
You're getting your butt on my cam.
Yeah, look at this butt.
Oh, well. Hey, where's Butter and Red? Butter!
They tend to walk off. Alright. They're always going down to the creek. Let's just go.
I see Butter or Red. I'm gonna get Butter or Red. I think they're already back up here.
We saw Butter run off.
Butter?
Yeah.
She went that way.
Yeah, she went that way.
I don't know where she went.
Red was behind us, and I don't know where he went. He's a snake hole.
I watched him. He went over there. Went right up there. Hold on, every time from the street. Ow.
It's a lot harder to walk in slides.